In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily adjust the size of tables in Word using the Autofit feature. Whether you're preparing a professional report or organizing data for a school project, knowing how to manage table sizes effectively can save you a lot of time and effort. So, let's dive right in and simplify this task for you. Imagine you're working on a document and you have a table that just isn't quite fitted right. Maybe the text is bunched up and doesn't look quite as neat as you'd like it to be. Well, the first thing you need to do is click anywhere inside the table you wish to adjust. This action will make sure the table is active and that you'll be able to access specific table tools. Now, when you do this, you might notice that a new tab pops up on the ribbon at the top of your Word interface. And this is where the magic happens. Head over to the Table Tools section and look for the Layout tab. Don't worry if you don't see it immediately. This tab only appears once you have your table selected. It's designed to give you all the tools you need to manipulate and format your table effortlessly. Once you're in the Layout tab, find your way to the Cell Size group. It's a little collection of options that allow you to manipulate your table's appearance. What we're interested in here is the Autofit button. This little button is going to be your best friend when it comes to adjusting your table. Clicking Autofit reveals a couple of choices for you. The first option is Autofit Contents. Selecting this option allows Word to do the work for you by adjusting the column widths, making sure each cell snugly fits the text or content inside. This is incredibly helpful when your table's content is varied in length because Word will automatically ensure that everything is displayed neatly and efficiently. The second option available to you is Autofit Window. Now, this is particularly useful if you want your table to match the width of your document window or adhere strictly to the page margins. Selecting this option adjusts the table width so that it spans from one margin to the other, distributing columns evenly. It's perfect for creating a uniformed look across your document, especially when the number of columns in your table can cause clutter. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to get your tables looking neat and professional using Autofit in Word. Remember, the trick is to ensure you have your table selected to access the layout tools, and from there, Autofit can do most of the heavy lifting for you. Make sure to experiment with both options to see which suits your document's needs best. Happy formatting, and remember to keep practicing these tools to get even more comfortable with them.